Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of RAVPower's 30-watt 3-port USB wall charger with USB Type-C. As the name suggests, it's a 30-watt 3-port USB wall charger with USB Type-C. Not much to tell you on the outside of the box, so inside we go. Take a quick little look at the paperwork. Get a minuscule user guide and a little feedback card thing, and not much else in the box. Here's the charger, and let me actually grab some others just so we can get a size comparison here. As far as size goes, this is Apple's 12-watt iPad brick, tad bit thicker, tad bit taller, and then this is the 24-watt charger from Newt, and they have a very striking resemblance. Very striking resemblance. Even the placement of the two USB ports is the exact same. The only difference is the RAVPower one has a USB Type-C port, and it's a little bit more powerful as far as output, and it's a bit more glossy, whereas Newt went for a matte finish, more chamfered edges. So it is pretty small. You pull the prongs out like that, plug it into the wall, and then you can charge through these 3 ports. And this supplies 30 watts of power, so real quick, let me grab something else. The RAVPower's 26,800 milliamp hour Super C series, and the charge time for this is atrocious unless you charge through both of these ports. So you can use both the bottom ports on this, or the top and bottom, whatever combination you want. Plug into these 2 ports and charge this at its maximum speed. On Amazon, this is $19.99 for the white version, and the black one is $21.99. Again, I guess you can charge more for black. And considering that Apple's 12-watt power brick is about 20 bucks, I wouldn't assume that it's changed since last time I looked at it. This is 12 watts, 1 USB port. This is 30 watts, 2 USB ports, and a USB Type-C port. I feel like that should be a no-brainer to anyone that knows how to count. So this is a good deal. It's twice as expensive as the Newt one, but you also get 6 more watts of power and a USB Type-C port. So is it worth that extra 10 bucks? Maybe. Maybe to some of you it is. Again, if you're buying something like this, it's obviously a no contest. Just get this instead of this. I'll have the white and black variants of this linked down below, as well as RAVPower's website and their social medias, so you guys can check them out there. Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss my next video. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until that next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.